Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. My name is Diego Rivera and I'm an online business owner as well as a professional salsa dancer. And this community is all about teaching you how to make a profit out of what you do. It can be as an online creator, dancer, artist, creating an education business out of something that you're very passionate about. This is what this community is for, and I just want to show you around what is inside, okay? These are some of the founding members, just saying a quick hi. This community is brand new, it's under construction still. That's why there is a very special pricing, a very, very low price for the founding first few members, because together with you, I want to sit with you, listen to you, and yes, I'm gonna teach you, of course, but I also want to know what type of content you're interested in first, okay? These are some of the topics that I had in mind. For example, I want to talk a little bit about how to get more leads for your customer. I want to teach you how to get more eyeballs into be interested to purchase what it is that you would like to offer them, right? We also have the part of creating the best type of offer, how we can make sure that we set up an offer that is so good that it's going to be very hard for this person, this lead, to say no to you, and also how to get this person that already purchased your first product, how to get the maximum amount of value in terms of cash from this person, right? Because maybe somebody that buys a certain product, there's a lot of extra things that you can offer to this person to make sure that you maximize the amount of profit that you get from this person, instead of offering them something really cheap and then have it be one and done, right? Because it's very hard to get new leads. So we want to make sure that everyone that we get, we are able to get the maximum that we can out of this potential lead. I also want to teach people how you can create online communities such as the others that I've created. I have one of my main other communities that is DY Salsa Academy, that this one is currently making about, let's see, this one has, now we just crossed $17,000 per month, right? This is per month. I want to teach people who are interested in opening their own online business as well. I want to teach a little bit of that. Nowadays, especially with social media, video recording and editing is super important. So I'm also thinking about teaching a little bit of that. And the last topic that I want to cover is teaching you how to run ads, paid ads for Instagram and Facebook. And it's interesting because about 9 months ago, I had no idea about, whoa, I just got one in person. I had no idea about learning how to run ads or why it was important. And the moment I got this right was a breaking point for my online business, because it was learning how to purchase a customer. So if you get good enough at running ads, think about it, right? If you purchase a customer for $30 and the price of your product is $60, you just bought yourself $30 profit. You can just grow that infinitely, right? For example, if this is a paying customer that pays you month to month, then you spent $30 to get this customer, but now they're paying every single month until they cancel. All of that is extra profit. This is the reason that paid ads is super powerful, especially for people that don't have that much of a big brand, right? That they can rely on. This is a very useful tactic for these type of people. Maybe they don't have as big as a following to get new customers inside the door. Yes, hope to see you inside. Very excited to start this very new project, and see you around. Bye.